Welcome back, everybody. Here I am in the back lot, just picking away at our used car lot, and this truck ain't looking too bad to me. We haven't really put much money in it. It's pretty solid, but it needs a lot of love. I mean, like, look at those tires. Come on, this thing hasn't seen love in a minute. And whoever this guy was carried around a bunch of lead bricks. Okay. But anyway, so first ignition switch was bad, then the low pressure fuel pump went bad, and so it's been sitting, doesn't run great, so I thought I'd jump at the starter, and this starter is bad, y'all, and I'm gonna just prove it beyond a reasonable doubt that this starter is so fucking bad. Watch this. So this way nobody can argue. Let's see how much current she draws. All the current. Oh no, she's gonna blow. Ah, look out. Oh shit, she's on fire. Gotta give her the old hot tour. Spit on that thing. Yeah, ho.